Hey guys, I want to quickly go through this bubble sort. This code on the left here has generated this list. And if you notice, this list is not in order. It's unordered. It's not sorted. So how did this code over here work? I set the variable myList to list. So myList is right here to this list. And I repeat it 3 times. Add, pick a random number from 1 to 100 and put it in the list. So I basically put these 3 numbers in the list, and they were random. They were created randomly. All right, now I created a bubble sort method and or a command block here, and I gave it the argument myList. MyList is passed over here to aList. So aList is really myList. Okay, now I have something called flag. I set it to false. This is going to control whether I keep going or not, flag. So flag is false. Repeat until flag is true. Well, it's not, so I'm in. Now I set flag to true. I set index to 1, and now this inner repeat loop will actually take me through these numbers here. Repeat until index is equal to 3. Well, index is 1. If item 1 of a list is greater than item 2, is 85 greater than 13? Yes. Set holder to item 1, set holder to 85. Replace item 1 of a list with item 2, so the 13 goes and replaces the 85. And then replace item 2 of a list with holder. So now what happens is 85 goes in position 2. I set flag to false because I made a change. Change index by 1 and say, hey, is 85 greater than 15? It is. I'm going to switch them. So now 85 is down here and 15 is here. Now, actually, they're in the correct order now, but the computer doesn't know this. When the computer loops back, okay, flag is not true. It's false because remember down here I set flag to false when I made any changes. So I got to do this again. Set flag to true, set index to 1, repeat until 1 is equal to 3, and I'm going to go through this, and since it's already going to be in order with 13, 15, and 85, none of these tests will ever be true. So I'm never going to change flag to false. Remember, up here I set it to true. I'm not going to make any changes here. When I'm all done, I go all the way back up here, repeat until flag is true. That's true, and I'm done. So in essence, let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'll click the bubble sort. Watch what happens. Okay, 13, 15, 85, and it went ahead and sorted it. And it stopped now. It stopped because it arrived at a spot when it didn't have to make any changes here. And if it didn't have to make any changes, flag, which we set for true here, we go all the way through this, we make no changes, we loop back up, and flag is in fact true, and we're done. Okay guys, I hope that helps.